Delicious honey garlic pork in 90 seconds or less. Start with freshly washed potatoes, peel them, and then cut them into thin slices. Butter a baking tray and throw the extra butter in a pan to start a roux. Mix in flour slowly, then add milk and cheese until it reaches this consistency. Layer your baking tray with the potatoes, then the cheese sauce, then a second layer of potatoes, followed by the rest of the cheese sauce. Layer evenly and add a little bit more on top for good luck. Put it in the oven at 400 for 75 minutes. Then start on your pork dry rub. Add salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, and cinnamon. Mix thoroughly. For our sauce, start with soy sauce, white vinegar, and a lot of honey. Stir until combined and then grab your garlic. Smash it, slice it, and then dice it. Grab your meat, sprinkle on your seasonings, and then rub thoroughly. Once properly seasoned, heat up olive oil in a medium saucepan. Let them sear for 2 minutes on each side. Add your garlic, cook until golden brown, then sauce. After saucing, finish them in the oven at 375 degrees and get ready to plate. Garnish the potatoes with spring onion, plate your pork and slather in sauce, and enjoy. And that's how I made